Hello everybody, maybe you should listen whatever I am going to tell you because I think you must do in your work, and it's my opinion that I want to share with you because your life and it is your responsibility. If you have time, don't waste it, use it until unless you put your 100% effort you can't achieve anything because time doesn't allow us go back and fix what you have wrong in the past, but it does allow us live each day better that we have lost. Believe in yourself, believe in your struggle. You can do anything if you try to do something. you know Tell me one thing. Tell me the work that you can't. I don't think that you can't. I think you can't do anything, you know, because you have power of to do any work. So you can't do. I know I don't have any idea what to do and how to do. You can't say. Whether you do or not do, it doesn't matter. But you should always think, yes, I will do it. If you thinking on this way, one day you will do everything whatever you want to do. Believe in yourself, believe in your struggle. How will you make it good? Because it is your life. If you want to build self-confidence, if you want to communicate it with anyone, then you must work for on it. That I am tell you. No make your future teacher, no make your future parents. You will have to make what you ever you want to make. So you never think it is so difficult to look like and I can't do because it is not my cup of tea. You never think. If you thinking on this way, it will lose your self-confidence. That's why whether you do or not do, it doesn't matter. You should thinking on this way, yes, I will do it. Whether take time. Today, sooner or later, I will achieve it because it is my dream and I can do anything for achieve it. If you thinking on this way, I